Hi guys, Dirk. Well, today I'm showing you another cool thing we did. This is a light trailer for events and mining companies. This trailer, the whole arm picks up into the air there. You add your spotlights. We've added 4 small ones, 2 big ones. There's your cupboard for your generator. It's got a drip tray, complete drip tray, going to the front if something's leaking. It's got leg stands at the back. Well guys, I think this came out freaking cool. Let me show you how it works. So when you get to your event, you open it up. Here in front, you can just roll it up.
Focus. Speed. I am speed.
Well guys, this is about 5-6 meters. Yeah, this is about 6 meters in the air. And then after you ratchet it up, you just clip it in here to secure. Then it's secured. Takes a spare wheel. This generator cupboard, we can open it up so that you can service or check your generator. It opens up completely like that. So now you've got proper access to your generators. Well guys, I think this came out quite nice. Tell us what you think.